Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with YNAB, You Need a Budget, app review my personal finance experience. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a budgeting app and service designed to help individuals and families gain control of their finances. It's aimed at anyone looking to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, save for specific goals, and get a clear picture of where their money is going. Key features include linking bank accounts for automatic transaction importing, goal tracking, and a unique Give Every Dollar a Job methodology. Their website provides details on the different subscription options and how YNAB works. YNAB emphasizes its proactive budgeting approach, differentiating itself from simply tracking past spending. They highlight the educational resources available to users, promising to empower users to make informed financial decisions. YNAB is available on web, iOS, and Android, making it accessible across various devices. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using YNAB. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The initial setup involved connecting my bank accounts, which was straightforward and secure. The onboarding process guided me through YNAB's core principles, like assigning every dollar a job and prioritizing my spending. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard provides a clear overview of my budget categories and available funds. I found the process of categorizing transactions quick and easy, even on mobile. One feature I really appreciated was the ability to easily adjust my budget throughout the month based on unexpected expenses or changes in income. The app performed reliably, syncing was quick, and I never experienced any crashes or glitches. I had a quick question about reconciling an account, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful and detailed answer. I was really impressed by how YNAB helped me visualize my spending habits and gain control of my finances. The standout feature for me was definitely the goal tracking, which motivated me to save for a down payment on a car. One minor drawback was the learning curve involved in understanding YNAB's methodology. It took me a little while to get used to thinking about my budget in terms of assigning every dollar a specific purpose. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with YNAB and would recommend it to anyone looking for a comprehensive budgeting solution. That's my overview of YNAB, You Need a Budget. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.